Have you ever noticed that your browser is slowly replacing the software installed on your computer? Just a few years ago, if you wanted to edit videos, write articles, summarize PDFs, design graphics, translate languages, or automate repetitive tasks, you needed expensive desktop applications. But in 2026, everything is changing, and surprisingly, most of it is happening right inside Google Chrome. Today, AI-powered Chrome extensions are becoming so powerful that many people are deleting desktop apps completely. These tiny browser tools can write emails, create content, summarize meetings, generate images, answer questions instantly, and even automate your daily workflow with just one click. The best part? Most of these extensions work wherever you browse. Whether you're using Gmail, YouTube, Google Docs, LinkedIn, WordPress, or your favorite websites. In this video, I'm going to reveal the top 5 AI Chrome extensions that are replacing desktop apps in 2026. These aren't random tools you've never heard of. They're practical, time-saving, and used by professionals, students, creators, marketers, and business owners every single day. And make sure you stay until the end because the final extension might completely change the way you work online. Let's get started. Number 5. Perplexity AI. Imagine browsing the internet without opening dozens of tabs.
Sounds impossible?
That's exactly what Perplexity AI is solving. Normally, when you're researching something online, you search Google, open 10 websites, compare information, and spend 20 or 30 minutes finding one answer. Perplexity changes that experience completely. Instead of giving you a list of links, it gives you a complete AI-generated answer with references from trusted sources. But now we've reached the top 2 AI Chrome extensions that are changing the way millions of people work every single day. If you've watched this far, you've already seen some incredibly useful tools. But these next 2 are on another level. They don't just save time. They can completely transform your workflow and even replace several desktop applications. Let's jump into number 2. Number 2, Monica AI. Imagine having one intelligent assistant that follows you everywhere on the internet. Whether you're reading an article, replying to emails, creating YouTube scripts, writing blog posts, translating text, summarizing PDFs, or chatting with AI, Monica AI is ready to help without making you switch tabs. That's exactly why Monica AI has become one of the fastest-growing Chrome extensions in 2026. Instead of opening separate websites for ChatGPT, translation tools, grammar checkers, writing assistants, PDF summarizers, and search assistants, Monica brings everything together in one place. This creates a much smoother workflow. Let's say you're reading a long blog post. Instead of spending 15 minutes reading every paragraph, simply open Monica and ask, "Summarize this article in 5 key points." Within seconds, you'll have a clear summary. Need something more detailed? Ask for a paragraph-by-paragraph explanation. Want the information in simpler English? Monica can do that too. Now imagine you're checking your Gmail inbox. You receive a long email from a client. Instead of reading every line carefully, Monica summarizes it instantly. Need to reply professionally? Click once. Generate a polite response. Edit it. Send it. What normally takes 10 minutes can now take less than 1. This is one reason freelancers and business owners love using Monica. But that's only the beginning. If you're a YouTuber, Monica becomes even more useful. Suppose you're researching a topic. You find 5 different articles. Instead of reading every article sepa,